Papa, why is the land breaking?
Because we forgot how to care for it.
There was a time when the earth gave freely, and humans only took.
Is the earth angry?
Not angry, just tired of being hurt.
Will one tree make a difference?
Maybe not today, but it's a promise for tomorrow.
The earth is so dry, Ria. It feels like we broke it beyond repair.
It's not broken, Papa. Papa, look!
The earth still listens, if we do.
Nature doesn't need to fight us. Our choices decide whether it heals or breaks. Though the earth was dry, they began to nurture the saplings.
We must keep going. Look, Ray.
Thank you for watching Wisdom Tales of Ripples. See you soon. Until we meet again, like, share, and subscribe. Adios, amigos!